Palomar's mission is to respect student experiences while supporting them to achieve academic success and engage with our local and global community. This is made possible by faculty with diverse expertise and varied experiences. How can we respect and support our student experiences without honoring the expertise of our faculty and staff? Palomar faculty belong to two distinct groups: academic faculty with graduate-level degrees in fields like math, science, and English, and career technical faculty whose expertise arises from a blend of extensive certifications, hands-on experience, and, in some cases, bachelor's degrees in specialized fields like welding, ceramics, automotive technology, and more. Let's dive into how differing educational experiences shape salary placements. Palomar's faculty salary schedule prioritizes graduate coursework and upper division credits for grade advancement. Currently, only Grade B recognizes work experience. Does this system fairly serve both academic and career technical faculty? Three main inequities plague Palomar's faculty salary structure. First, degree bias for initial placement. Faculty teaching in academic disciplines start at higher grades thanks to their graduate-level degrees, which means higher pay, while many career technical faculty get stuck at Grade B due to limited availability of graduate programs in their fields. Second, experience discrepancy. Academic faculty can teach with just a master's degree, while career technical faculty need up to 6 years of experience to meet minimum qualifications. Third, unequal grade advancement. Grade increases hinge on more coursework. While one graduate unit equates to between 18 and 45 hours, depending on study time, for academic faculty, Palomar's CBA deems one unit of equivalent graduate work equal to 71 hours of work experience, effectively requiring career technical faculty to work at minimum 1.6 times as much for the same advancement. These inequities not only contradict Palomar's commitment to commensurate or superior salaries to neighboring colleges, as stated in Article 15.1, but also fail to create equitable salaries among Palomar's faculty, harming our ability to hire career technical faculty. To unmask grade placement bias, we'll compare salaries of academic and career technical faculty at Palomar and nearby institutions. Let's consider History Herman, who holds a PhD. He earns a top salary with placement on grade H. Now compare him to Furniture Fran, a CTE faculty member with a master's degree and extensive industry experience, including advanced training. Despite accumulating 3,456 hours of relevant education and training, exceeding Herman's PhD workload, Fran is placed at grade D. Fran's industry-coveted experience and qualifications are deemed irrelevant because the units are not recognized as graduate level, and there are no doctorates in their field. This forces Fran to slog through years of additional training, logging another 4,118 hours on top of their existing achievements, while still not reaching Herman's starting point. Consider these 4 nearby college districts: San Diego City College District, Maricosta, Long Beach City College, and Cerritos. Unlike Palomar, each of these institutions recognizes the value of expertise, regardless of how it's acquired. At those colleges, History Herman and Furniture Fran would both start at the same grade, reflecting their equal contributions to their field, with differences in salary only reflecting years of teaching experience. This fair approach not only attracts and retains top talent in critical vocational areas, but also ensures students receive the highest quality education from highly qualified instructors. Let's compare a new set of faculty and their initial grade placement. Luca, with a master's degree, steps onto the salary ladder at grade C. Then there's Dan, a 28-year industry veteran with expertise and certificates, who enters at the very bottom rung, grade B. A gap, yes, but surely fair, right? Wrong. When considering grade advancement, Luca has a clear and relatively swift path upward. Additional graduate coursework, each rung on the ladder offering a tangible boost to their paycheck. A second master's degree, a doctorate, each a step towards higher salary grades, resulting in higher pay. But Dan faces a near impossible climb. The wealth of real-world knowledge, the foundation of their field, offers no shortcuts. To meet Luca at grade G through additional work experience, where no graduate coursework exists, Dan needs to conquer a mountain of equivalent graduate coursework, a staggering 8,520 hours. Luca's 30 to 40 units to earn a second master's degree equates to 2 years of full-time school with a total of 4.5 months off for winter and summer, even less time of taking classes during these breaks. Meanwhile, Dan's additional work is equivalent to about 4 years and 3 months of full-time employment with a standard 2 weeks of vacation a year. At neighboring colleges, Luca, just meeting the minimum qualifications, starts at the lower end of the salary scale, and Dan, a veteran with 28 years of industry experience and 58 certificates, is placed on the high end. In contrast, at Palomar, Dan's years of industry experience are not rewarded, leaving Dan at the lowest initial salary grade possible. How can Palomar close the faculty salary grade disparities? As mentioned before, Dan, with 28 years of industry experience, was placed at grade B during initial hiring. Let's bring in a CTE colleague, Welding Walt. You can see their credentials are very similar, with the only difference being Dan's 18 extra years of experience, and yet they are placed at the same initial grade. What if each year of work experience beyond the minimum qualifications was equivalent to 7.5 upper division units? Minimum qualifications with a bachelor's degree requires 2 years of work experience, meaning Dan has an additional 26 years experience. Doing the math, Dan would have enough units and be placed at grade G, while Walt would be placed at grade D. This change would see both Dan and Walt's work experiences valued through grade movement and provide unique grade placement for varying industry career lengths. Furniture Fran's advanced training did not earn the salary grade deserved, regardless of the rigor or time investment. If there were a process that better helped ensure that CTE experts were involved in determining initial salary placement, Fran's unique education would earn a salary placement of grade G or H. Regardless, if we use the same 7.5 semester unit for each year of Fran's work experience, then Fran would have 60 additional semester units toward salary placement, earning an initial grade placement of G. It's time to embrace the goals set forth by Article 15.1 and create grade parity for all faculty. Our mission is to value the diverse experiences of our students. It's time we do the same for our faculty.